So welcome to the today's tutorial. So today we will improve our code which we have coded before. So if you will compare these two, so this was the decal which we have made before, and this is the improved one. I think this is looking good as like this is kind of looking of liquefied one. And the next thing is like when we will compare the asset like which we have added afterwards in the mesh, it was pretty clean. Like it was not looking like it is hurt or like it is in the blood. So our new asset which I tried my best to learn some substance painter. So I tried in it and it I just do something like this. So it is just looking something okay. Yep, we have something in blood. I was thinking to have some glossy look in the blurred side, but yeah, this can work. So today we will do this improvements. So let's start our tutorial. So the first thing is the texture which we have to include. So in the textures I will make one folder, the head like split head. Let me open my assets, image for the icons. Broken heads are a yep, it will be the broken head or the split head, no issue. Just drag these down. Okay, okay, and this is done. Next thing which you have to do, just save them all. So the first thing which you have to do in the face one, just right click and create material m underscore like split head base or like top. So this is the body normal. Just drag these two. So this is the normal, this will go in the normal. So this contains the three functionalities. If you will read its name, in the last it is saying occlusion, roughness and metallic. So ambient, occlusion, roughness and metallic. If we will like select this mesh, apply it here, just click save. Let me check how is it looking. It is not reflecting these changes, but as soon as we will apply it here, let me highlight it. Nope, this is the one. Here it is. I'm gonna split head top. Okay. I do think that we have to remove the metallic and roughness. Click save. Now it is reflecting. Okay. For the bottom part we will do the same. So just duplicate it. So we will do the same for other. So split head top, bottom, open this, delete this, and I will fetch the cloth one. Okay, just pin it down. This is to normal, ambience occlusion. What was the name again? Occlusion, roughness and metallic. So it will go to roughness and it will go to metallic. Okay, just press save and we will assign it to the bottom half of the head. So head bottom. Okay, maybe like in future I will like refine it more, but the skill set which I have in the substance painter it is far good. So when we will uh, play that level now, it will update. See? Okay, we have some gaps too which we can fill, but it's okay for now. I'm not bothering much about it. And the next thing is for the decal thing, which I have shown you. So let's do that for the decal. Give me a second. So for the decal, let me go to the decal. Decal. Okay. So the issue with that decal was like we are not using the normal map properly. So first let's set it to the normal, and next thing is go to this normal map. In the compression setting, just set it to the normal. Save blood decal and connect to the normal. Just click save. And next thing is like we have set to the opacity, but we have to set metallic, specular and roughness. I'm just pressing M and left mouse click just to make it fast. Specular and roughness, convert these two parameters. So metallic, specular and roughness. So the default value is 11, like 000. So I have already tested these values, so I'm just putting those out. 0.02. Okay. So if we will go to that decal, see, to the reflections, those reflections are there. And when we will play the game, see, like at the bottom, let me eject, let me go close. So at the bottom you can see like it is giving this reflecting. Give me a second. Sorry, I got a call in between. I think it is continuing because I'm unable to see the banner. Okay, so let's continue. I think yeah, so the decal part is working fine, and we have also sorted the head one. Now the next thing is like the effects which we have created. So it is coming like see, it is not realistic, or is it? I think it is fine for now. So the next thing which we will create in the process is the damage part, because right now we are like the base, the AIs are not receiving any damage, we are just killing them, right? And we are not destroying them too. So we will do that part. Go to the C++ class, they say human and co AIs and the MAI base. So here we will implement we will add the damage receiving part in the begin play. The reason being is we should have done it in the construction, but sometimes it doesn't work, so we will do it in the begin play. So this dot on take point damage. The reason of we are putting like the point damage, because in the point damage it will give you the signature of hit. So let's imagine you want proper information who made the damage from what direction, what bone, and these all information you will get it in the hit. So that is why we are using on point damage. We could also use the on tick damage. It will be very generic, and in this you can pass hit, and in that you cannot pass the hit. So that is why we are using this. So a dynamic this comma the address. We haven't created the function yet, so on AI take point damage. So for the signature part, what we will do, on p damage, just go to the signature and copy everything till this. Like on tick point damage, we have these are the signatures. So this is everything which you need to copy. Here alt enter, create member, everything is there. Just copy paste which you copied from there and remove the commas. Okay, damage vector. Okay, again alt enter, generate definition. Sometimes I don't know, it create the inline function. So if you know some solution to it, just comment it below so I can improve too. Okay, so this is our AI take damage, and here what we will do, we will create a variable called health, and it will be protected. I want that variable to be accessed in blueprint to just the read only. So what I will do, in the protected part, I will create float health is equals to, give me a second, u property, edit anywhere, so we can change it, and I want blueprint read, right? Let's do that. But in the future I will just give the blueprint to read it, not the right one. So but just for now. And okay, we don't want to edit it actually. I will create health max const, edit anywhere, and it will be 100, and we can initialize this health to health max constant. So const float. So okay, so the const properties are not supported, so let's remove it. Edit anywhere, and we have, I think it's sorted. Okay, so the next thing which you have to do in on AI take point damage, so if what we will do, we will just decrease the health and the damage part. So health, rather I can change this current health, the current health will do the work. Math clamp, and we want to clamp the health minus the damage which we have got. So damage comma, the min is 0, the max is health max constant. So if we will always print the value, so utils Okay, dm f string float sanitize health. This current health down. So in future, maybe like right now, our code is like when the bullet is doing the damage, the bullet, we are like we are controlling the simulation, but this thing has to happen in the like in the the AI part, because this part like we just have to inform to the AI base like this has to happen. So maybe in future we will shift this code to the AI side. Like the decal part, everything, attachment and all this is good. It's just like the physics one, the attach one. So this code like we will shift. So let's check if everything is working. So we have done the receive code, but now we will apply the damage to the base. So what we will do, if it is head, then I will like apply the damage. So AI object dot point damage. So the damage value will be 100, as this is the headshot, and the damage type, I don't think we do have any damage type. Damage type comma hit location. So this thing is quite important. So like where's the hit location? So I will get the hit dot location impact location. And next is the hit normal. So hit dot normal comma next is the hit component. So the hit component comma next is a bone name. So hit dot bone name comma what else? So the shot from direction. So like I think we have it in the direction. Do we have it? Impact point, impact normal, trace and trace start. Okay. Okay. So trace and minus trace start. Comma the controller who did the damage, so is PC, and damage causer, it's PP. Play upon, and the hit, I think it's very stupid. The thing is we could we could have just passed this hit and it should have worked. I'm not sure though. So U damage type. Okay. Actually, I'm so stupid. Give me a second, please. Actually, we don't have to receive the damage, we have to apply the damage. My fault. So, and it comes under the gameplay ability. So, gameplay statics, GPS, apply point damage. My fault. Really, really sorry. So, damaged actor, it will be the AI object, comma, damage 100, comma, hit from direction, like hit dot trace and minus hit dot trace start. It's the same concept like which we have inserted, hit comma uh, player controller comma actor who caused the damage is player pawn comma the u damage type, so u damage type static class. I was really stupid. The reason is like I was thinking why we are applying all the data when we have hit, and I didn't put focus like here I have written the receive point damage. Okay, we are done here, and the hit from direction is the same concept which we have talked before. So let's imagine you want to go from here to here, like A to B, so you will just B write B minus A, so it will give you this vector. If you want to make this vector a unit, then you can normalize it, but this is good for now. So I think everything is set, so let's try. Control B. So let's test Windows output log. So whatever logs which we are printing, we can check them. I don't think, okay, let me compile it first. And I think we have included everything, like when we are getting hit. Okay, we are only putting damage if we are hitting the head. So let me do it like this. So float damage to apply is 20, and if it is a headshot, then damage to apply is 100. Okay, so here I will do damage to apply. Control B. Okay, it's done. Let's test. Okay, see, like at the left, you can see the it is showing health. If I will continue to hit the body, it is saying 60, 20, 0. And we have put the cap, so it will go till 0. So we are not doing on the basis of damage right now, but we will change our code. Like this functionality and that simulate functionality, we will shift it to the uh, to uh, to AI. I think we can do that right now. So what we will do, so this head thing, this is quite okay. This simulating one, attach component is mesh, setting enabled, and force cut, and let me shift this code to the AI base. If health is 0, get mesh, for hit we have let's put this hmm, hit location, bone name. For the body force constant, let's copy it from the class. So body force constant we have to copy from the bullet. Merge. Let's try. Okay, so this is perfect and this is working fine. So I think we will close it here. Like everything is working fine, and the code which you have selected from the bullet to the AI, it is all working fine. So let's wrap it up. It is already 26 minutes. So thanks and have a nice day.